Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come in here and just admire my hair for a second. Like, look at it. I am 31 months locked, and my hair has grown out so much. Right now it's like touching my shoulders, and I feel like once I go ahead and do my retie, it's gonna look just a little longer, because I have 2 inches of new growth. And this is not a joke. I actually measured it the other day just to make sure I wasn't tripping. But yeah, this is 2 inches of new growth. So hopefully once I go ahead and like that, it'll give me a little extra boost. But y'all can't tell me nothing. Look at my hair. It's extra thick. It looks really, really good. It's really, really healthy. And on top of that, I did this myself. Like, I did these locks myself. I maintained them myself. It's my hair. I grew it myself. So y'all can't tell me nothing, because look at this. Look at this. Come on.